Welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we are going to see the small topic called division operation relational algebra. The previous session I explained about the so many relational algebra like Cartesian, selector and so on. If you have a doubt, please kindly check the playlist for continuation. So here division operation. So generally division operation operator generally used for what means the queries which involve that they are. You can simply the query which involves all missing the point option. So, and as the name of the operation replaces what you can say, it must dividing one relation by another. Only dividing one relation by another. That is a simple concept behind the division operation. Here, the operation used for queries which involve all qualifier also. Let's go for example. Let's say simply we can define R1 divided by R2 is equal to tuples of R1 associated with all tuples of R2 here. Whereas as if you know what is row, what is column, everything, tuples also. In example, retrieve the name of the subject that is taught in all courses. So if you want to retrieve, that means get information about name of the subject that is taught in all courses. What you can do? Let's assume that there will be a table consist of the information name, course, system, BTech. Then database, MTech. And similarly, algebra, BTech plus course, BTech, MTech is there equal to that is name is database. This is the information we are getting here. Then example, another example you can say retrieve names of employees who work on all the projects that John Smith works on. So here let's assume that you have a table like this, concept the information like a name, yeah, employee number, P number, then works on the following like 1, 2, 3, that number, then P name, market sales, and so on is there. The result is as follows 1, 2, 3. So after combining the table, two tables we are getting John and Smith. See, the common ID is 1, 2, 3. Based on that we are retrieving. At last the expression is follows like Smith less than equal by this symbol P number in bracket you can write sigma E name is equal to John Smith and bracket again employee plus works on P number is equal to E number. So based on this data we are framing and the result is at last employee number is E1 to, that is 1, 2, 3 like that. So like that you can perform the division operation. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media and thank you for watching the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you.